every 20 minutes. It's your statewide Alabama weathercast.
Let's kick off this Alabama weather update with some of these beautiful sky cams on the network. We absolutely love this shot. This is one of our newer sky cams on the network at Gulf Shores here on this 10th of September. This is the climatological peak of the Atlantic hurricane season, and we are so thankful the Gulf looks just like that. It's been a gorgeous day on the Alabama Gulf Coast. We'll also take a look at our sky cam down the road at Orange Beach. There's the Perdido Pass. Looks like one mariner right there. On the way out to the Gulf of Mexico, the sky there is nice and sunny. And really statewide, it's been a nice day, but a warm day today. This is the sky cam at Fairhope, overlooking the pier. That's Mobile Bay. Again, just flat as a pancake, a gorgeous scene there. We'll work our way north. This is the sky cam at Montgomery. Down below, that's Crampton Bowl. We're looking south from the Alabama Public Television Tower located at Patterson Field. And a couple of more shots. This is coming from Chehaw State Park, Alabama's highest mountain. Oh, I just love this. The elevation up here, 2,407 feet above sea level. Skycam coming from the University of Alabama, Tuscaloosa. That is looking north from the north end zone at Bryant-Denny Stadium. And in the Tennessee Valley, that's our Huntsville Skycam. Nothing but a case of severe clear today. Satellite view confirming that fact. You can see basically nothing happening across the deep south. That is a very dry air mass. And accordingly, we just have nothing on radar. Had a few really small showers over the Mississippi Delta today, but those did not last long. We need some rain, but the prospects of rain not looking good anytime soon. Heat levels are beginning to creep up. We've got mostly mid and upper 80s across the state today. We're expecting highs around 90 tomorrow and Friday. And then by the time the weekend gets here, low 90s are likely statewide. In fact, we're probably going to see mid 90s in here for the first part of next week as this upper ridge begins to build in. And again, we see no meaningful chance of rain across the state through the middle part of next week. Check it out here. This is the rain valid through Tuesday of next week. And the model's showing maybe a drop in Tuscaloosa, but don't take that to the bank. We basically left rain out of the forecast here for a while. In the tropics, like we talked about, this is the exact peak of the hurricane season today, September 10th. Pretty amazing to see nothing out here. We have nothing to show you. Typically on the 10th of September, somewhere there's a hurricane across the Atlantic basin. However, there will be a wave coming off the coast of Africa in a couple of days. The Hurricane Center giving this a low chance, a 20% chance of developing. If by chance anything forms out here, this would most likely turn north. We see no tropical trouble for the Gulf, at least for the next 7 to 10 days. 7-day forecast, first off for the northern half of the state. Look at there, low 90s every day through Wednesday of next week, maybe some mid-90s. By Monday and Tuesday, lows mostly in the 60s with sunny days and fair nights. South Alabama, same story. And I've got a 10% chance every day, but understand most places will see no rain. Highs low to mid-90s and lows mostly in the 60s. That's the Alabama Weather Forecast Update this evening, and thank you for watching the Alabama Weather Network.